Greetings, and welcome to our video guide to Hue City in Vietnam. This historic city was once the imperial capital of Vietnam, and is home to some of the country's most important cultural and architectural treasures. In this video, we'll explore the rich history and beauty of Hue, and give you some tips on what to see and do while you're there. Hue City was founded in the early 19th century, and was the capital of Vietnam from 1802 to 1945. During this time, the city was the political, cultural, and economic center of the country, and was home to the Nguyen dynasty, which ruled Vietnam for 143 years. The city's grand palaces, temples, and citadels reflect its former importance, and are now protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. One of the must-see sites in Hue is the Citadel, a massive fortress surrounded by a moat and walls that stretch for miles. The Citadel was the center of the Nguyen dynasty's power, and contains many important buildings, including the Imperial City, which was the home of the emperor and his family. Another important landmark is the Thien Mu Pagoda, a 7-story tower that is one of the oldest and most iconic religious structures in Vietnam. One of the highlights of a visit to Hue is exploring the city's royal tombs. These elaborate mausoleums were built for the emperors of the Nguyen dynasty, and are set among beautiful gardens and lakes. Some of the most famous tombs include the tomb of Emperor Tu Duc, which is known for its stunning landscapes and ornate architecture, and the tomb of Emperor Khai Dinh, which is a unique fusion of traditional Vietnamese and European styles. Hue is also famous for its cuisine, which is considered to be some of the best in Vietnam. The city is known for its traditional dishes, such as bún bò Huế, a spicy noodle soup, and bánh khối, a crispy fried cake filled with shrimp and vegetables. To get a taste of local culture, head to the Dong Bao Market, where you can find a huge variety of goods and food stalls selling everything from fresh produce to traditional crafts. That concludes our video guide to Hue City in Vietnam. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable, and that it has inspired you to visit this historic and beautiful city. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and cultural content from around the world.